I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just compete.
Hey dolls, and welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Jazzy. So dolls, welcome back to the channel. Girl, we haven't done a vlog in a minute. I actually have plans this weekend. So girl, I just put on my camera and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna vlog for the dolls. And yeah, so basically today is Monday, July the 11th, I believe. That's what today's date is. And I just got done with a client. Currently, I'm back working from home because I had a little accident at the shop, a little flooding. So we are getting the floors redone and stuff, and the baseboards and all that good jazz. So girl, we just had to do what we do. We had to come back to our starting place, which is right here. And yeah, we just been knocking them out here. But yeah, so I have already showered this morning. I have already cleaned my face and stuff, brushed my teeth. But I gotta get ready for work. You already knew that was coming. I gotta get ready for work. But if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, girl. Nah, you done clicked on the video, so you might as well subscribe. We would love, love, love to have you a part of the Jazzy Dog gang, baby, because we lit over here. But yeah, so I'm just gonna probably get ready for work, finish watching Aaliyah's Face vlog. That's my girl. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But I'm just gonna get ready to clean up my mess real quick and start getting ready for work. But I have a lot of stuff to get done this week, y'all. I got like a little party that I'm going to this weekend. So I'm going to be preparing for that this week and letting y'all come along with me when I get my hair done, when I get my nails done, when I, when I go to my fitting. Well, I don't know, because she might not let me record it. I don't know. But I have to go pick up my dress. I had to get some alterations done to it so it can be fitting right for your grade. But, yeah, so I'm going to just take y'all along with me and make this a fun vlog because, girl, I already know. That's why I kind of stopped doing the vlogs because, girl, I don't be having nothing going on. My life be so boring, especially when I start school. Like, it's just the same routine over and over and over and over and over. But I do try to vlog when I actually have stuff going on. So, yeah, girl. But yeah, that's basically, is this something? I don't know. But yeah, so that's basically pretty much it, girl. That's it for this morning. I ain't got no coffee, so I won't be making no coffee on this morning. I actually been to probably boil me like 2 eggs and like drink some water. I need to go buy me some apple cider vinegar because y'all, I know I keep saying it, but I got to lose some weight. Like, I got to at least lose 5. I'm trying to lose 5 pounds this week before Saturday, before I put on this all white. And then I need to lose 10 to 15 pounds before next month, before I ain't going to speak on that yet, but I have somewhere to go next month. So I need to lose 10 to 15 pounds. And baby, the way I've been eating, it just ain't gonna cut it. It just ain't gonna do the job. So y'all, we're gonna see if I can lose 5 pounds this week. I'm gonna boil me some eggs. I'm gonna drink me some water. And yeah, 5 pounds, baby. Once I get done boiling these eggs and stuff, I'll be back later. Hey girl, hey! Today is, let me get out this damn car. Today is Tuesday, July the 11th. And girl, I forgot to turn my camera on this morning, but I woke up this morning and like cleared out my closet, sold some shoes. I had a bunch of shoes that I needed to get rid of. And now we're about to head into the hair store so I can get me some hair for Saturday. Your Milky Way hair?
Yeah. Okay, Milky Way right here.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. Do you know who does?
It's Be Unique, 1 down street.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right.
Well, we gotta go to another hair store because they don't carry the hair that I need because I'm getting all boy baby. Your girl ain't had, first of all, I ain't had weave in a while. Like hair weave. I had braids, but like weave. So I'm excited. I'm getting a bob, baby. Period. Good morning, Jezebel gang. Today is Wednesday, July the 13th, I believe. And girl, I know I look a mess, but it's okay. You know, I just woke up. But, well, I didn't just wake up. I actually ran a few errands this morning, and I found a closure, y'all. You know, I wasn't even going to do a closure because I kept saying, I'm not going to pay no $80 for no closure. Like, that's why I don't even wear weave now because it's just out of hand. So I found a closure. I went to my local beauty supply store. I went to Hot Beauty, and they always got a good deal. $40 for HD lace, a Swiss transparent lace closure. So I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. It says Swiss transparent lace closure. And they didn't have a one, so I'm just going to buy it. But yeah. So yeah, found the closure finally, and with a decent price. It was $40, y'all. It wasn't $100. It was $40. Like I was saying, I went to a different hair store yesterday, and this was like this real price, $99.99, $89, and I'm like, no, I'm just not doing it. I'm just not doing it. So this was $40. Like, I'm so glad that I went there because I was about to throw the towel in and just leave my hair out, knowing good and darn well that I'm natural. And this week's forecast is rain all week long. So, girl, that was not going to work out too well for your girls. So, we got us a closure. But yeah, so I'm just probably finna start getting ready for work, y'all. I ain't really got much going on this Wednesday. Yeah, so I'll be back if anything, you know, special happens or that I feel like I need to share with my dolls. Hey, good morning. So today is Friday, July the 15th. Yeah, the 15th. So I just woke up, guys. I just woke up, dolls, and washed my hair. That's why it looks like this, because today we're gonna get our hair done. We're gonna get our hair done. So I just went ahead and washed it, and I'm about to blow it out. And yeah, I guess just get ready for our hair appointments. I haven't decided if I'm gonna bring you guys along with me or am I gonna do a separate video, like a get ready with me, and then include like the hair process. I think that's what I'm gonna do though. So, but yeah, so that's what we're getting ready to do. Time for me to order. I need to order some new robes, y'all, because I feel like every time I make a video, I literally got this robe on. It's clean, but I always got it on. Start pulling out my stuff that I used to use to record with, like my lights and stuff, and just like get back in the groove of being an influencer, a YouTuber. But yeah, so I'm just about to detangle this hair. Well, it's already detangled, but I'm just about to separate it so that I can begin the process of blowing it out. I don't know why I'm trying to use a comb. I usually just finger part my hair. Shrinkage is real, guys. I feel like my hair has gotten so long. Well, not so long, but I feel like it's definitely grown a bit. So I cannot wait until we start getting some cooler weather, like fall time and stuff, so I can start getting like blowouts and stuff, because I am super excited to see how long and how pretty my hair has gotten. I think that's like one of my favorite parts of being natural. Like, just, it's like a mystery. Like, even you yourself, you don't even be knowing how long your hair done got until you like press it out, and then it's like, oh wow, like, girl, I got an ages. And I hope y'all can see me okay, because I did not bring my light in here. Because why? The girl being lazy, huh? But this is my process, y'all. Before I blow my hair out, I detangle it. Then I put it in these little knots. So during the process of me blow drying another section, this section doesn't get like dry before I can get over here and like straighten it. Like I was saying about the robes, like if y'all have any suggestions, like places that sell like pretty robes, good quality, and that you think I would like, definitely let me know in the comments. I see that the waffle robes are like really trending right now. I have never tried one of those on, but I think they have them at Walmart. I think All Things Just ordered hers from, I think she got it from Target, or did she order from Amazon? I can't remember, but I saw that she ordered one and hers was cute. So I don't know. Y'all let me know. Y'all comment below and let me know about these robes, where I can find a cute robe.
I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want the shit red at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you rise at the top, baby. She wants your name, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, yeah, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petticoat, cause I don't do facade. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you go and do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. You ain't gotta do with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my product, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby.
Alright, y'all, so I just left my hair appointment, and baby, I'm scared of stills. Be kind that you just shoot and fall in. So, grandma hold on. Gotta make sure that, baby, I'm gonna let y'all see my hair, because I think I'm gonna upload and get ready with me before the week. Whoa, shoot. Before the weekly vlog, so you'll be able to see it. Right here, right now. Woo. These are the new nails. I am in love. I absolutely love them so much. So now let's go ahead and get into this makeup. I am just gonna let the music play as y'all watch me do my makeup and get ready for the night ahead, girl. Your girl was playing music, so of course I don't want to get a copyright, so I had to mute this entire process and just do my makeup, enjoy the vibes, sip me a little wine, and let my music play. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy watching me get ready for the night.
Yeah. Tell me something, what's on them? I got something for you if you want it. I got something for you if you want it. All that bed like Backstreet. Want a man if you ask me. Fuck on that bitch in the backseat. We ain't no castle, yeah, I'm king. Know me, you mad at me. Send a DM to trap me. New York bitch in a taxi. Wanna get drunk and nasty. 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 Wanna castle, yeah, I'm king. Know me, hoe mad at me. Send a DM to trap me. New York bitch in a taxi. Wanna get drunk and nasty. 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 Wanna get drunk and